Okay, let's do another CRI here and add it to a liter bag of fluids with the patient's existing fluid rate. Okay, so let's say we have a 50 kilogram patient and we're going to be giving a CRI of a drug at, let's say, 4 milligrams per hour of a dose, and we've got our fluid rate at 50 mils per kilogram over 24 hours. Okay, so how many milligrams will we add to 1 liter of fluids? Okay, so let's start off with the patient's weight and let's do our fluids. So we said it's 50 mils per kilogram over 24 hours. Okay. And that's going to give us, so we go 50 times 50 equals 2,500 mils over 24 hours. If we want to go ahead and figure out what that is hourly, you can certainly do that. You just go 2,500 divided by 24, which is going to go ahead and give you 104.2, rounded up, mils per hour. Okay, so here we've got our fluid rate. Okay, now let's do our CRI of our drug. We have got 1 milligram per hour. So we don't actually have to do a dose or any calculation, do we? We do actually. So if you see here, we've got this figured out as 104.2 mils an hour, or we've got 2,500 mils over 24 hours. So we could either go 1 milligram and times it by 24 hours so that we have a same ratio that we can go ahead and compare, or we can just use the 1 milligram per hour and the 104.2 mils per hour. So let's go ahead and do that. So we've got 104.2 mils per hour. So this is our fluid and this is our drug. Okay, now we want to know how many milligrams are going to go into 1,000 mils. Now see how it says 1 liter here? I've gone ahead and just converted that to mils so that we can use the same ratio. And if we remember, 1 liter times, we've got 1,000 mils. That's our conversion factor per liter, so the ergo it is 1,000 mils. So cross that out. Okay, so here we go. So then we have, we're going to cross multiply and solve for x here. So x milligrams then becomes 1,000 times 1 divided by 104.2. Okay, so 1,000 divided by 104.2, that goes ahead and gives us 9.59, or let's round up to 9.6 mils, my apologies, milligrams, not mils, 9.6 milligrams in 1,000 mils fluid. Okay,